Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you how you can transcribe your meetings into Microsoft Word. Now to achieve this, we will have to open Microsoft Word application in your browser, it's Office Online. And it's very easy to do it. It will be very useful if you are having interview and you'd like to transcribe your interview into a text. It also helps you if you are attending a meeting and you'd like to take some meeting notes. So it will also help you to make your life easy, especially when you will have to type in a big meeting. So to achieve this, what we need to do is you will have to click on this drop down menu next to dictate and you click on transcribe and click on start recording. So as soon as you click on start recording, it's gonna start capturing the voice using a microphone, and depending on the pitch and the variation of the voice, it will automatically recognize how many speakers there are, and accordingly it will transcribe your speech. Now in this scenario, we will be discussing how we can record our Microsoft Teams meeting which we are attending. You have to make sure that you will have to use your speakers, so you cannot use headphones, because if you use your headphones, the volume will come out of your headphones and microphone won't be able to listen to it. So you need to make sure that you use the loudspeaker or a speaker on your laptop, so your microphone can also listen to the conversation, and this is how it will transcribe your speech. So I'm gonna do that. So what you need to do is you just need to click on start recording.
Hello Chloe, I'm Andy Davis, I'm HR Manager and I'm the Chair of the panel. My colleagues will introduce themselves. Hi, I'm Abid, Head of Health and Safety.
Hi, Chloe, Jennifer, HR Advisor. Hi.
Please take a seat, Chloe. I've already poured you some water, but if you need any more as we go through, please just let me know and I'll get you some.
Thank you.
So once you finish the recording, or once your meeting is finished, what you need to do is you just need to click save and transcribe now. So what this will do is this upload the recording that you have just did, upload it onto OneDrive, so it can transcribe it for you. So as you can see, it has transcribed the conversation that it's able to listen. Now it also important that the volume should be loud and clear. In this situation, I did it intentionally, so you will understand if the volume or is low, the system won't be able to understand it properly, so your transcription will not be perfect. So we're gonna do another test, but this time the voice will be loud enough for microphone to understand. So to start a new transcription, you will have to click on new. So it will discard the old one if you're not going to use. And there are a bunch of other options available for you to do. But in this scenario, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to discard this one. Then I can always click here, click transcribe, and I can always look at the old one which I already closed. So if I need to start a new one, I would click on new transcription, and it will tell me the creating a new transcription will delete the current transcript, so you can have one transcription per document. Click OK. Now I'm going to click on start recording.
Why does every interviewer ask this question? Along with variations like, walk me through your background, tell me more about you. It sounds like a harmless way to start a job interview. It's very open-ended, not particularly difficult. Everybody should know a little something about themselves so they can...
Now in this situation, I'm going to click save and transcribe. Now let's see if the system is able to understand the transcription all fine. Once it's done, you have an option to manipulate the transcription by clicking here. If you want to add just a text, so you click on just a text, so it will add everything here. If you have multiple speakers, the speaker 1 and speaker 2 you have, and you know who this person is, you can always click here and change it to whatever you like. and while you are looking at the transcription and you notice that the transcription has some error, so you will also have an option to edit that transcription by double clicking on it, by clicking at this icon, and you can always add or delete something if you like to. Now it will also give you option as a recording. You can always listen to the recording that you have just did, so you will have this option as well. So if you click here, if you want to have a timestamp, so if you do that, so what it will do is it will not only add the transcription, it also add the timestamp and so on. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.